Vai tu zini, kur mēs esam, Flora?
Meža vidū, vienā no Limfejas neapzinātākajām vietām. Šī pirmatnējā daba ir brīnišķīga.
Close your eyes, feel the breeze. It's a magical sound when it blows from the seas and gently touches ground. It's wonderful to feel it in your heart. It's wonderful to feel the way it starts. 'Cause you and me and all the world around, we be as one together. We're the children of nature. We just wanna be free. Looking into the future, what it's gonna be. We never give up on what we believe is true. 'Cause tomorrow belongs to me and you. We're the children of nature. We just wanna be free. We are the children of nature. We can sing as one voice. From the past to the future, we can make a choice. Never give up on us. Never lose the way. 'Cause tomorrow began today.
Visa šī daba man mazliet sāk apnikt.
Šī vieta ir tik spocīga.
Un brīnumvilki vairs negrib iet tālāk. Mēs droši vien esam tuvu mutantsēnas teritorijai. Viņi baidās, ka tiem atkal uzbruks sporas.